Hello guys, so we're gonna make a butterfly knife for Legos. So we're going to need 3 of these, the long ones, and you're gonna have to have 2 of these, I forgot what it's called, and 2 15 by 15s and 1 12 by 12. Then, or whatever you call it, then you're going to put, you gotta put this in here, like that, and you're gonna put the same thing. Now, you don't put this in yet, because that's gonna be too late. So you grab 1 15 by 15, put it in this side, then it'll be like this. Then I'll spin like this. Then another 15 by 15. Put it in the peach. Push it in there. And you gotta get the 12 by 1. You see, you gotta skip this one. And you gotta put in this. Just like that. Then it's gonna, you gotta skip one like that. It looks like a map for a second. Then you grab the last one and put it right here. Now you have your butterfly knife. Just like this. Well, I don't know how to play yet, so yeah. Bye.